how are you? Yeah, in our last topic, rational numbers, everyone should completed that one. Okay, if you are not completed, please complete it. And then today, second topic, that is linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. What is the linear equation? If the degree is 1, then it is called a linear equation. In one variable, only one variable. That means we know variables, it is represented by the symbols x, y, z and so on. And I am writing Ax is equal to 0 is a one variable linear equation of one variable, because the degree of x is 1 and here it is linear equation in one variable, only one variable, that is x. Now we call it as a linear equation in one variable. What is the general form of, standard form of linear equation? General form or standard form of a linear equation. Ax plus b equal to 0 or Ax is equal to b, where a comma b are the constants and a is not equal to 0 is called a linear equation in one variable, or this is called as a simple equation. Linear equation in one variable is also called as a simple equation. Why it is not equal to 0? If it is 0, what? Once see, Ax plus b equal to 0 is a linear equation when a is not equal to 0. I am taking if it is 0. If it is 0, 0 into x plus b equal to 0, then it is 0, b is equal to 0. Then it is not linear equation because it is a constant term. That's why must be a not equal to 0. Ax plus b equal to 0 and a must be not equal to 0 is called a linear equation in one variable. In this case, a comma b are any constant terms, and in this case x is called the variable. X is called the variable. Now when we transpose the terms, for example 7x plus 5 is equal to 0 is a linear equation in one variable. If you transpose 5 into the RHS side, this is the equality sign, and this left hand side is called the LHS, left hand side, and this is called the right hand side of the equality is called RHS, right hand side. Now in this case, if you 5 transpose to RHS side, 7x is equal to what about plus 5 in this case? That's why we are going to some formulas. When we transpose the terms, if you transpose plus, quantity becomes a negative quantity. Now it is the plus. If you change it this side, we get minus 0 minus 5. And again, if you change the minus quantity, it becomes a plus quantity. Plus quantity will be minus, minus quantity will be plus, and into will be divided by, divided quantity becomes into. You have to remind these 4 formulas, 4 concepts. Based on this, we have to transpose this. In this case, 7x is equal to minus 5 and 7 into x. Now I will transpose 7 into the RHS side. In this case here it is multiplication symbol. If you transpose it is a divide. That means x is equal to minus 5 divided by 7 or minus 5 by 7. Okay, like this, using these quantities you can go to the exercise 1. Now I will start the exercise 1. Exercise 1 will start. Okay, now we are going to the exercise 2.1. First, what is the first problem? Solve the following simple equations. Following the simple equations, solve. 6m is equal to 12. 6m is equal to 12. In this case, 6 will transpose to the RHS side. See here 6m, that means 6 into m. Multiplication will transpose to division. That means m is equal to, m is a variable, m is equal to 12 by 6. Because multiplication symbol will be transposed to division symbol. 6 table cancelled by 1 time, here it is 2 times. That means m is equal to 2. M value is 2. Now we are going to question number 4. Minus 2x is equal to minus 12. Minus 2x is equal to minus 12. Same problem. 2 into x. That means x is equal to minus 12 divides, because x will be, into will be transposed to divide, minus 2. Minus 2 table 1 time, minus 2 table 6 times. That means x equal to 6. Now we will go to the question number 6. Question number 6. What is the question number 6? N by 7 is equal to minus 3. N by 7 is equal to minus 3. Now in this case 7 will be division. That means if you transpose this side, it is multiplied. Then n value is 3 sevens 21 and it is minus 21. Now we are going to the problem number 9. Problem number 9. 3p minus 7 equal to 0. 3p minus 7 equal to 0. Now first I am taking minus 7 on RHS side. Then it is 3p is equal to, negative will be positive. And then 3 will be multiplied. Then RHS side it is divide. 7 by 3. P is equal to 7 by 3. Now we are going to problem number 12. Problem number 12. 11n plus 1 is equal to 1. 11n plus 1 is equal to 1. Solve this. That means find the value of n, variable n. 11n is equal to, already RHS side 1 and plus 1 will transpose to RHS side, it is minus 1. 1 minus 1 we get 0. 11n is equal to 0. Now 11 will multiply with n, then it will transpose to RHS side, it divides the 0. 0 by 11, the value is 0. Then the value of n is 0. Now 14th one. 14th one. 8x plus 5 by 2. 8x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13. 8x plus 5 by 2 equal to 13. Now same process, 8x is equal to 13, plus will be transposed to RHS side, it is minus, and find LCM on RHS side, it is 2. Now 2 13s, 26 minus 5. How much 26 minus 5? 21 by 2. It is equal to 8x, and you can transpose 8 also. X is equal to 21 by 2, and it is this side, LHS side, it is multiplied. That means this side it is divide. 21 by 16. X value is 21 by 16. Like this you have to complete totally 14 problems. We have completed some problems. Remaining you have to complete. Only the concept is transpose. If you transpose plus into, transpose to the RHS side, it is minus. Minus will transpose, we get plus. Into will transpose, we get divide. Divide will transpose, we get into. Based on these 4 points, we can complete exercise 2.1. Thank you.